Oi! Welcome back.
Hello.
Yeah, we're in the shop. It's a new year, new things, new projects, new builds. Yeah, we're like coming up here to work on Jordan's rig. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what we did so far. So yeah, we did stuff. We took a perfectly running Jeep and made it not run, and are making it cooler now. We, Jordan's had this Jeep for like as long as I've known him. But yeah, so it had like an LS and an AX15 and a Dana 300. So he was like, let's front half it. I'm like, nah, let's back half it. Nah, let's full half it. Yeah, full half.
Full custom frame. So,
custom frame. Yeah, so 14 bolt rear now, Dana 60 front. These aren't the 43s, he's gonna run those are actually the Tacoma 43s. We did some cool stuff with the body mounts, widen the frame rail versus factory, and making some like cool mounts that go like inside of here. That's like a recess, so it's gonna be a full flat belly. We're gonna have,
I think it's got 23 inches of belly.
Yeah, 23 inches of belly, like this is ride height. There's no suspension on it, but yeah, that's ride height. But yeah, oh yeah, and it's not actually that rusty. He used this rust stuff and it like is supposed to be a rust inhibitor, and yeah, it was a rust creator. It's pretty bad. So yeah, he's doing his Highline Motobuilt fender cutout thingies, front and rear. Yeah, those guys. So like, yeah, all that's getting, shop's a mess. But yeah, fancy. Yeah, and some other crap in there. You got fronts too, right?
We're using those front fenders.
Oh, we're using those front fenders.
Flat fenders.
Some old flat fenders. But yeah, he didn't really want to stretch it too ridiculous. Like it is stretched, but it's not stretched just enough. So rear suspension's not quite the way we want it, but we're gonna see how it works. If it works, sweet. If it don't, then we'll redo it. Back to cutting holes in the floor. We mainly want to leave the floor, and as much as we could, cheapish. Yeah, full 4-seater rig. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna tinker with tonight. I guess we're gonna do these things. Oh yeah, we also, my rig, power steering pump issues like usual, so I'm gonna address that, and I'm gonna put the fender back on. It's going to King of the Hammers, probably, maybe. Oh yeah, we are going to King of the Hammers. And the Tacoma, I haven't really worked on it at all. Well, I have recently, but I haven't been working on it. It's getting the 14 bolt front, 14 bolt rear, but I didn't like the back cage and all that, the way that was done, so I chopped all that off and kind of scabbed in some stuff and gonna like make it better. But yeah, so we're gonna start tinkering with this. Yeah, so now we have a giant hole. Hey. What's up? Gordon.
Oh.
Giant hole. And then we gotta figure out, because it didn't come with directions. So, yeah, that's gotta go like there-ish.
Maybe.
Possibly. Yeah, I think so. It'd be okay.
Yeah, I think so.
And then all those pieces. And yeah. Jeep stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna take out the cage because it interferes with these fender liner things, high-line fender things. So yeah, I'm gonna take that out, and then Jordan's gonna keep grinding into it. So yeah. How my GoPro gonna cut off because it's too hot? Ain't even that hot in the shop. One hoodie. But yeah, the cage is off. That sucked. But yeah. Okay, so it turned out really awesome. It did not come with directions. You go Motobuilt, get some directions. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, but you know, I could see this being challenging for somebody, but dude, it really brings up that roof end. Like, yeah, it's pretty clean. Yeah, so like, in comparison, that's that fender, that's the back fender, so it brings it up like even, which is pretty cool. I mean, we've done some comp cuts, but this is a pretty decent kit. I don't mind it, it's pretty nice. We're gonna stitch weld a couple places, seam seal it all up, because I mean, you know, you don't want wind noise or road noise, and it's a Jeep, you can't have your hair blowing around or none of that. But no, we're not actually self-tapping it, that was just for mock-up. But I mean, that really kind of cleans the inside up a lot better than some of the ways we used to do it a long time ago before we knew it better. I've definitely liked, there's a rig, Ray's old rig was definitely just cut up and just open. Like some signs and crap screwed on it, so it's a lot better. I like it. Picasso. But yeah, so I think that'll be pretty decent. That was a nightmare to get out with just me and Jordan and all the crap still in it. But yeah, so we're gonna get that side done, then this side done, and then we'll address the cutting all the transmission hole and everything out and set it back on again and do some mocking. I know that some of these mounts over here we're gonna have to like cut out the floor and stuff for. But yeah, it should be a pretty nice little build when it's done. What you think? Man of many words. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna like put this before the outro because I just thought about this. But yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the bikes, well, that are at least here, because y'all know that we do bikes also. Like we rock crawl, we do bikes. We pretty much into all kind of motorsports, but I'll just show you the ones that I have here. Some of our guys' bikes are here, some of them are not. The garage is a wreck because we had like a little ride day, and yeah, there's parts everywhere. But yeah, here we go. That is Austin's 2022 Grom that he stunt rides. That is Ray's 2022 Grom. This is my 2022 Grom that I actually got hit on, and it's all back together and runs now. Like it was totaled out, but I was able to like fix it and like fix a bunch of crap. I had a 600 ZX stunt bike, but I didn't like it, so I got this. I traded it for this KLX 250 Supermoto. This is my 2022 CRF 450 RL Supermoto. It's got a bunch of goodies and all Supermotoed out. This is my 2021 CRF 50 that has a 155 engine on it. Yeah, it's definitely a death trap and a blast. Really fun. A lot of power. It went from like, I think it's got like 15 horsepower now compared to like the 3 or 4 that it maybe had before. My youngest Izzy, this is her 2023 CRF 50 with the Supermoto tires. And then my oldest, Rhea, this is her 2023 CRF 110. And we're waiting on the Supermoto wheels to come in for it because they're going to try to do some little asphalt racing. But yeah, that's what Santa Claus brought them, was these two bikes. So yeah, that's some of them. Maybe we can see, yeah, like on the Supermoto video at CMP, y'all seen Josh's like 250 and his 100, and he's got a Grom 2 and a couple other bikes. So yeah, we'll throw some more bike content up there too. And yeah, a little bit of everything. So yeah, that was like us working on stuff. We just kind of set the camera up. We didn't have nobody to film, so it was just me and Jordan. So if you like this video, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, like it, all that good stuff. Like always, get out there and build something. Oh yeah, if you want to support the channel, go to howmotorsports.com. Check out our merch.